Alright guys, so now that we are in Vegas Pro 19, but I want to mention that of course in the thumbnail you see all kinds of video editor icons, meaning that these sound effects are compatible with any software that you have, any software for video editing that can read MP3 files and .wav files. They can actually go and use and read these sound effects, so it's really cool that this is compatible for all softwares and not only of course for a specific software user. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to the link down in the description. Make sure to open up the link in another tab so you won't lose this video, and then you will land on this page, which is the Mediafire one. Okay, so now that we are on the Mediafire page, I do have to warn you guys, this is a file that is over 1 GB large, as you can see right here. So if you have a slower or a more of an average internet speed, especially a download speed, this might take a little while, but if you have a decent or a fast upload speed, then this will maybe take about 5 minutes. Otherwise, I'm guessing between 30 minutes and an hour, and that's because there are over, as you saw in the title, there are over 1,000 sound effects from anything that you can imagine, from the typical meme sound effects to like let's say the GTA 5 sound effect. Like here we go again, we have all kind of transitions, and I can't wait to have you guys discover this. And also make sure to let me know in the comments down below after you downloaded this pack which one is your favorite. So let's go and proceed. So I'm going to click on download 1.18 gigabytes. So then you will see this box, sound effects.zip. It is 1.18 gigabytes. So I'm going to click on OK. So now that we have downloaded our file, this is basically the folder that you will see. So I would actually recommend to create a separate folder, because if you're going to just extract this anywhere, let's say that you're going to extract this to the audio or an audio folder, for example, in your documents on your computer, I have to warn you that there are going to be over 1,000 files in that folder. So I would recommend to just create a separate one so you won't have files all over the place, and not in any case pick your desktop, because you won't even see what your desktop is at this point. So I'm going to click on new, and I'm going to hit a new folder, and I'm just going to call this sound effects, like that. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go on to the folder itself, and I'm going to click right here to copy the path or the location. Then we're going to go back, and I'm going to click on soundeffects.zip. It's not going to ask you for a password, or it's not going to ask you to complete some sort of a survey that you're stuck with, like a subscription of like 25 bucks a week. So it's very simple. You just open it up right here, and then I'm going to hit Control A, and I'm going to uncheck the top folder to make sure that all the sound effects that we have in here are selected and ready to be extracted. So if I'm going to show you guys right now, these are the sound effects that are included. So many different ones for your project, whether you make like gaming, documentaries, vlogs, whichever content you guys are making, this is going to be so extremely valuable. So once you have selected everything and you have also just deselected the top file, we're going to click on this icon. It's in Dutch for me, but in English you're going to say extract to. So then we're going to hit there, and then right here we're going to paste it right here, the path that we copied from the folder, and then we're going to click on OK. Now it's going to extract over 1,000 sound effects, and I'm going to show you guys, of course, also how to use them. These are basically all the sound effects that we have. So let's just go and drag one randomly into our project right here in Vegas. And if you play it back, this is what it sounds like. That sounds very cool, and this works exactly the same for all the other software, guys. Alright guys, just to also show you real quick, this is Premiere Pro. So of course this is a Vegas Pro tutorial because you guys are always used to these, but I just want to quickly throw in the section where I'm going to show you how to use these in Premiere Pro. So let's go and create a new sequence, or a new project rather, and then we're going to just give this a name. Let's say sound effects, just like this. Then we're going to just open it up. It doesn't really matter what kind of settings we have, because this is just solely to show you how it works and that it works exactly the same. So right here we have a blank project. Now let's go back to the folder that we just extracted. All right, so right here we have the folder. So let's go and drag in a different sound effect. So let's say I'm going to pick this one. Let's drag that into our project right here into Premiere. So that's how simple it is, guys. This is how you drag and drop your sound effects into Premiere Pro, into Vegas Pro, and of course it works the same with After Effects and Filmora, Wondershare, Movavi, basically any other software that you're using, even DaVinci Resolve. Just like I said at the beginning, any video editing software that can read these MP3 and .wav files is compatible, and that's basically it for this video. Guys, thanks a lot for watching. The link is down in the description. It's the very first one you will see. Make sure to leave a like if this pack was helpful to you and if you're going to use this one. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you obviously in the next one.